Hello everyone, I welcome you all. Today in structural shape, we will see about the angles. Angles also called as a L shape. Just take a look of figure on the screen. This angle having the two legs, this dimension represent the leg length. This is a vertical leg and another is a horizontal leg. These two dimension represent the leg lengths. From this back of angle, here is a standard gauge dimension. I am representing here this gauge dimension by the yellow points. These are all standard gauge dimension. This is a toe of angle, this is a heel of angle, and this is not a corner. Here curve portion is there having the K value. To write the angles, there is a standard format. Just for example, L7 by 4 by 3 by 4. So first two numbers, these are the leg lengths and last one is the thickness of the angle. And second example is L8 8 5 by 8. So last one is the thickness and first two letters numbers are the leg lengths. The difference in two example, in the first example the both leg having the different leg lengths, and in another example both leg having the same length. Angles having the leg length equal or maybe unequal legs also. Preferred grade for angles is 836. Based on the project, grade may be vary. These angles are mostly used in trusses, in bracing, as a lintels, as a shelf or ledge angles. These all values are given in the AISC manual, or just for quick reference, go to AISC website and just search for the AISC dimensioning tool to get these values. Here, just take a look of these two pictures. In the first picture, the angles having the leg lengths of the same leg lengths, and in the second figure, angles having the different legs. Figures, these photos are just for the presentation only. Color may be vary as per the shop paint or as per the coating.